Hello everyone, the story I have this time for you is another Aesop's fable. The last time it was The Hare and the Tortoise. Hope you enjoyed it. This time it is less known. It's called The Fox and the Crow, but another nice story. In the email linked to this video you will find, like the last time, a link to the audio version of the story. So make sure you listen to that story first, The Fox and the Crow. And in the booklet I've sent to go along with it, there's a shorter version of the story. It looks like this. Yeah, so it goes to there. It's like a summary of the story. So just read it and then you're ready to do the 5 activities in the rest of the booklet. So I'll just take you through those so you know what to do. I've done a little sample for each one. So you'll see there's a moral. I told you the last time in Aesop's Fables there's a little lesson to learn. So you'll see the moral. Underneath that there's 5 activities throughout the booklet. So the first one's asking you to underline the correct spelling. So you'll see the first one I've done there for you. You just look at the 2 words and write down which one you think, underline which one you think is correct. Some of them will be easier than others. The second activity is to say whether the sentence is true or false. So in the first one, for example, it says, one day a fox saw a crow in KFC. KFC stands for Kentucky Fried Chicken. So did the fox see the crow in Kentucky Fried Chicken? No. So I've written false. And the second one, the crow had a piece of meat in her beak. You need to have read the story to know that that's also false. So you can do all of those. In number 3, it's filling in the gaps. Now, the story is exactly what you saw on page 1. Try to see if you remember the words without going back. And actually, to help you, there is a little word box at the end of that activity. It looks like that, and with the 6 words inside. But try to see if you can do it without help, and then for the correct spelling you can get the help from the box. Okay? And then activity 4 is answering quite a few questions. As you can see, I've just written the answer down here. If you need to get someone to draw some lines for you to help you, you can do that. Otherwise, just write like me. So the first one was, what did the fox see in the tree? And I've written in a full answer because it's asking you for full sentences. I don't want just words. I want full sentence, please. So Miss Seymour has written, the fox saw a crow with some cheese. And then you could see that there are 9 questions, I think. Yes. And then there are some extra questions in activity 5. There are an extra 6 questions. So I hope you can answer those. The first one is the fox cunning? And if you're not sure what cunning means, you'll have to look back at the story because it tells you here what cunning means. Okay? So I've written, yes, the fox is very cunning because he tricked the crow. So I think you have lots to be getting on with there. Any questions, as usual, just email me. Okay? Thank you, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.